Hey everybody, John here with SoCal Outdoor Adventure, and welcome to another episode of The Final Word. In today's Final Word video, we are going to be talking about the Smith & Wesson Day Pack that I did a review on a couple of years ago. So stick around. So in regards to the Smith & Wesson Tactical Backpack, I bought that backpack more than almost 8 years ago now, and when I first got the backpack, it was my first backpack that I was actually using for day hike adventures, and it was a comfortable backpack. It did the job. It was doing what it was supposed to be. My overall thoughts and experiences with that backpack that I've had so far is that when it comes to setting up the backpack in general, it was very easy. It had plenty of pockets, plenty of spaces, and there was also plenty of features where it allowed me to carry multiple amounts of materials in it. So it was a pretty nice backpack. So what actually ended up happening to that backpack? Well, to simply put, it broke. Yeah, the backpack actually broke after about a year of usage, so it didn't last me that long. I thought I could make it last longer. In one of my day hiking trips that I took out, what happened is that the left shoulder strap actually broke at the yoke towards the top of the backpack, and it ripped the backpack open. The good news is that none of my gear was lost. The bad news is the backpack was pretty much destroyed after that, so I decided to go ahead and get rid of it and throw it in the dumpster. Would I buy that particular backpack again? Well, it's been 8 years since I bought a Smith & Wesson backpack, and I haven't really seen that particular model out for God knows how long now. Would I buy another Smith & Wesson backpack? Maybe, I don't know. Depends on it depends if rather than not if I really need it. But right now I got some pretty good rucksacks and backpacks I'm currently using for my adventures and for my trips. So I don't foresee me using that backpack again in the near future. But if you're looking for a backpack where you're just going to go out for maybe like a day hike or just for like a small adventure, I would recommend it. I would recommend a Smith & Wesson backpack, but if you want something a little bit more stronger, well, you may have to look for it if you want something that's a lot more stronger, a lot more durable. Otherwise, if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe if you are not subscribed to my channel. As always, guys, I appreciate you all very much, and thanks so much for watching The Final Word. Now go outside and have an adventure. Bye.